Alright, here they are. There's a little GX200. 329. It says it's 309 online. I would like that 390. Gotta do a video on one of those. That's nice. There she is right there. Commercial series. Let's do it. Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Well, today is going to be an unboxing video of the infamous Honda GX200 commercial series horizontal shaft engine. 3/4 inch keyed shaft, low oil alert, commercial, 3-year commercial warranty. For 30 bucks, I added the additional year to make it a 4-year warranty from Northern Tool. And this is what you're gonna get. So here's the box. So let's get into this thing and see what's in here. So here it is in all its beautiful Honda glory. Price on this was $329, but I got it on sale for $309. And then I added the extended year warranty for $35. So that's what you can expect to pay for it. Around 350 bucks if you buy the warranty, $309 if you decide not to. So there it is. Comes with all the typical Honda tagging, telling you that there is no oil in the engine. Obviously, they're not going to ship it with oil in the engine. Serial number down there, so you know if she's real. This is your kill switch over here. Low oil shutdown, standard fare on all these types of engines. Up here, got a nice aluminum gas cap with the retainer, so that you don't lose this. This thing is stout. A lot of these clone engines, the Predators, there's a million different brands that they go by. They cheap out on some of the nicer features here. So not that I'm saying anything bad about Predator. I think they're good. I actually have one I'm going to do an unboxing on here soon. But yeah, this is just all standard stuff. Now the carburetor on this model is a Keihin, which I'm sure can be a pretty good quality carburetor if Honda's using them. It's got, there's the underside of your bowl there. It's got fuel shutoff to be able to run the fuel out of it when you're not running it for a while. Really nice rubberized hand crank, pull cord. It's not that cheapy plastic stuff. It's got a mushy kind of rubbery feel to it. Stickers on it are just speaking to, looks like emissions, pretty decent emissions. Now what's in the box? So you get the engine, you get the foam installation, and you get owner's manual with decals to put on the machine that you're installing the motor on. And you don't get oil, so you got to get your own oil. That sucks. I hope I have some oil. But yeah, that's what you're gonna get. Here's your manual, and let's dive into this. All right, so here's our paperwork here. Here's our little decal set. Let's see what we get. A little tag. Yeah, product can expose you to cancer, which everything can expose you to that nowadays, which is terrible. Got your warning sticker in Japanese. Got your warning sticker here. Some more warning stickers. And let's see. Just the Declaration of Incorporation paperwork. File that. Never look at it again. Half-ass owner's manual. General purpose warranty. Here's the actual owner's manual here. I'll tell you how much oil to use, how to change the air filter, how to take it apart for the most part. Another copy of the owner's manual. And the emission control system warranty. Now, I saw on here that these have an electric ignition, not a key start like battery operated electric ignition, but supposedly an upgraded ignition system over your old school mowers, which is nice. Now let's see, airbox is up here. Let's take a look at that. Familiarize yourself with your maintenance areas on these things. So you got a nice little air filter there. Air filter's independently held down, separate from the cover, which I like. Looks like it's a paper filter with a foam mesh focus design there, which is nice. Got your throttle control on the side here, and you can add I'm adding a throttle cable to my project, so I'll be overriding this. But nice smooth operation on the throttle cable. Choke operates nice and smooth. So you've got a real nice tight feel to the fuel shutoff, which is nice. And what else can I show you about it? Spark plugs back here. You've got your regular old muffler, and a muffler guard, so you don't burn yourself. And yeah, just a beautiful, beautiful motor. Now this is a keyed shaft, 3/4 inch, and if you're going to put a pulley on there, which I'm going to be running a V-pulley, V-belt pulley. Get a 3/4 inch pulley. Should go on there like that, nice and smooth. So yeah, it's a nice little unboxing video in the GX200. So if you guys have any questions, make sure you pipe them down below. If we want to start some questions about this, I am more than happy to use my video as a forum to help answer questions about this motor. And remember to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll get you in the next video. Later.